These are the non-slip bath stickers. I really like them. We bought them about a year ago, so we've had them about a year. They are a little like discolored. They get that way after a while of people stepping on them. But I think they're a great alternative to the bath mat because the mat used to get all kind of like wavy, and these obviously are stuck to the bottom. I love how cute they are. Our daughters absolutely get a kick out of them, and they're a little rough, but you get used to them really quickly, and our daughters honestly don't mind at all. They sit on them in the tub all the time, and I've never heard either of them complain. They are great because I'm always worried about slipping in the shower or having the girls slip in the bath coming in and out. And they're super cute because they're little sea animals like fish, whales, jellyfish, starfish, and just so much fun to play with, to see on the bottom of the water when you're in the bath.